Production phase is all about putting into action your game concept by developing it into a fully functional and playable game. Step 1. Game development. This is the nitty-gritty building of your game. At this stage, I like to build a prototype, or what we call a virtual slice, and go back to the end users with this to get their feedback. Getting early feedback on a small sample of your game allows you to pick up things like any bugs, any end user requirements that are still not covered here, and it can really help save you valuable time in the process. This step really is just about you building something that you and your end users are happy with. Step 2. Resource development. So what do I mean by resource development exactly? Well, serious games are really complex, and sometimes just giving the game alone is not enough to help people understand what they need to do in the game or how they can deliver this game to the other players. Sometimes the game itself may not be enough, so it's really useful to create something such as a facilitator's manual that may help explain why the game is being given and actually how to deliver this to a classroom. If the game is just for a player, then it may be helpful to have a tutorial either inbuilt in the game or given as a separate resource. This will allow the players to understand exactly how you want them to go through your game and flag up any difficulties they may have whilst they're doing it. In serious games, sometimes users get stuck, equally so with facilitators. This step is highlighted in the intervention mapping approach as a really important process to your design. It is better to design additional guidance material alongside your game to ensure that your game is understood. Step 3. Alpha and beta testing. This step is all about ensuring that your game works. There are 2 stages to the step. Alpha testing, where you test solely with your developers in-house, and beta testing, where you select a small sample of end users to test with. This step is all about refining and ensuring that there are no bugs that are going to annoy or stop your players from playing the game. Again, this step is all about ensuring that your game is functional and as user-friendly as possible. Once you finish testing your game, it's on to the post-production stage.